In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to your Wix website. If you want to make checkout easier for your customers, adding Apple Pay through Wix Payments is a great option. It can help create a faster, smoother buying experience, especially for visitors shopping on Apple devices. To get started, log in to your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside, look to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps many of your site's core business and payment options. From there, select Accept Payments. This section is where you can connect the payment methods you want to offer on your website. When the Accept Payments page opens, find the Wix Payments option. You should see a button such as Connect or Accept credit or debit cards. Click that to begin the setup process. Wix Payments is the built-in payment system that allows you to accept card payments directly through your site. And it also supports digital wallets like Apple Pay once everything is set up correctly. Next, fill out your business details as requested. Wix will typically ask for information needed to verify your account before you can start receiving payments. Make sure everything you enter is accurate and matches your business records, because this can help avoid delays during verification. After you submit your details, you will need to wait for approval, depending on your region and the information provided. Verification may take a little time, so don't worry if it isn't instant. It's also important to know that you'll need a Wix Business and e-commerce premium plan in order to accept payments on your site. If you are not currently on that plan, Wix will usually prompt you to upgrade before you can complete the process. That's a required part of enabling online payments, so make sure your plan supports e-commerce features. Once your account is approved, Wix Payments will automatically enable Apple Pay and Google Pay at checkout. In other words, you usually won't need to manually switch on Apple Pay separately after approval. Wix handles that for you as part of the payment setup. One important note: Apple Pay will only appear for customers who are using a compatible Apple device and the Safari browser. So if you don't see it while testing on another device or browser, that's completely normal. To properly confirm it's working, test your checkout using Safari on a supported Apple device. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.